Hey everyone, today we're building a sleek full-screen video background for a web page. It's an essential skill for modern web design. We're starting with our basic index.html file, and we've already linked our style.css sheet. Now we're in the CSS file to set some universal properties. Using the asterisk star selector, we set margin 0 and padding 0 to remove any browser default spacing, and we add box sizing border box. This simple reset ensures our full screen video will truly touch all edges of the viewport. In the HTML body, the first thing we need to do is embed our video using the tag. To make this video function as a true background, we add a few key attributes directly to the tag. We need autoplay to start it automatically, loop to keep it playing continuously, and crucially, muted to ensure it works across all browsers without requiring a user click. I'm also adding a class of BG video so we can easily target it with CSS. Now, let's jump to style.css and select our .bg-video class. To make it cover the entire screen and stay behind all other content, we'll use a specific set of properties. We're setting position, fixed to lock it in place, then width 100% and height 100% to make it fill the viewport. The magic property here is object fit, cover. This ensures the video scales perfectly without distorting its aspect ratio. Finally, we set z-index-1 to push it behind every other element on the page. And there you have it. Refresh the browser, and you can see our beautiful video playing smoothly across the entire background. If you like the content, please consider like, share, and subscribe to the channel. For any question, ask it in the comment section.